What's going on, everybody? DIY Raymond here, and today we got the Greenworks 1800 1.1 gallon PSI pressure washer. That might not be the most powerfulest, but for what we're gonna be doing with it, just a little bit of hitting the side of the house and the patio pavers and washing the car. This right here is plenty powerful enough. This is all electric. The one we had before this one here, we had a Ryobi electric one. Did good, we liked it. So here's the unboxing. So it's gonna have your spraying nozzle that spins. It's gonna have your soaping nozzle. It's gonna have your high pressure nozzle. Back of the box, it's got your onboard accessory storage compartment right up here. It says it's got a 35-foot power cord where you plug it in at. It's got a 13-amp motor, which generates 1.1 gallons of water. Or 1.1 gallons of pressure. You got a quick connect wand, which is this right here, the sprayer. It's a 25-foot high pressure hose, and then it's got the rugged roll cage with the 8-inch wheels. So let's see. Got the packaging right here. Some kind of accessory to hold something probably into that. Here's the hose. Go ahead and get you a Bang energy drink, peach mango. Bang's running out of the stores fast, so get it while you can. I noticed some stores even raising the prices up on the Bang energy drinks. So here's your nozzles. So the turbo one, they don't have it in there, so it's probably in there somewhere. If not, I got a turbo nozzle from an old pressure washer. There's your soaping nozzle when you want to use your soap. Your 40-degree angle one, then your 25-degree angle one. The 25 is more for if you're trying to really hit, like say your concrete or stuff like that, or fences, whatever you got going on. Hands look a little dirty. Got off work a while ago. Get your hats, DIY or die, from the Do Love Trading Company. So here goes part of the wand right here. Everything you gotta do to put it together. And there's that high pressure nozzle right there. That one there, it spins while it's going. That won't break stuff up. Here goes the wand. So put this in, toolless. So you have a little T shape right here. Slide it in. There we go. Well, this is going to pop back out like that, is it? There we go. So yeah, once you get it in there, you slide it in, then you can twist it so it sticks. Feels pretty rugged and sturdy. There's your 8-inch wheels. The other wheel's in here, that's the last thing in the box. So, there's the pressure washer. So, on these pressure washers. All right, the last one I had, oops, there we go. The last one I had a little bit bigger soaping container, but you do not want to put bleach in here. You know, don't want to do bleach. Do your regular soap, your car soap, or even your pressure washer rated cleaners and stuff. But we'll go ahead and put this together and take it outside. It's been pretty wet outside. Today's the day after Hurricane Nicole hit into Georgia. Up here in the next area, all we got was a bunch of rain and some wind. But anyways, have a good one. Be blessed. Again, this is the Greenworks pressure washer, 1800 psi, 1.1 gallons of water per minute. All right, have a good one.